kale and make a potato sauté. I eat kale. Do you have? I think kale has a bitter image. Fragrant, delicious and nutritious. Does it taste like thickened broccoli? Wash it clean first. Cut roughly. Drain well. Potatoes peeled, slice thinly and heat. About 5 minutes at 600 W. Add oil and garlic to a frying pan and heat. Add potatoes. Fry over medium heat. When the fire goes, add kale. Slightly browned kale. Fry until sticky. Keep seasoning simple, salt and pepper only. Kale contains vitamins, lutein, dietary fiber, calcium. Contains melatonin. Due to high nutrient content, king of vegetables, is called prevention of lifestyle-related diseases, keep your eyes and skin clean, sleeping effect, bone strengthening, etc. Only happy effects. Kale has an image of peculiarities such as bitterness and grassy smell. Carino kale has almost no bitterness or harshness, and the leaves are soft. You can eat it deliciously even if it is raw. Even if it's a salad or tempura, its delicious musical note. Finished. Nutritionist Mikazuki's cooking channel. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.